forecast.
Well, looking over the University of South Alabama, we have a few clouds way off and towards the distance, and I know that's what we're mainly going to have. It's just some partly cloudy skies overnight tonight until our cold front starts to come to arrive, and then actually a few lighter showers overnight tonight as well. But as we continue to look right now on the radar, here's where our cold front is. Actually a few smaller showers, but our little line of showers is right behind it off towards the west. Not thunderstorms, this is just our line of showers. The thunderstorm activity is up towards the north, just south of the Great Lakes region. But even right now on our current temperatures, I showed you this earlier, you can literally paint out where our current cold front is moving across the area. Already gone through Oklahoma and Texas, getting in towards portions of Louisiana and Mississippi, but Alabama is still on the warmer side. As we look at our current radar across our region, yeah, some smaller showers in Washington County and then getting in towards George County and Greene County, Mississippi over there. And this is mainly just a little bit of those lighter rain showers. That isn't our main line just yet. That's going to be coming around 2-3 a.m. early tomorrow morning. Current temperatures, though, all around into the mildness of the mid-60s mainly. 61, though, currently down in Fairhope, but then we have 70 down at Gulf Shores. Wind speed still moving out of the south, but those are going to change northerly as we head towards tomorrow. So from the weather predictor, looking at our temperatures and then our rainfall, as we go into the next couple of hours, there's our lighter rainfall. Then here comes our little line of showers right around 4 a.m. for the city of Mobile. Followed by it is our cold front. So everything now, all of these temperatures are going to start to drop. Our main line is going to move all the way through northwest Florida just after 7:30. So everybody's going to start to feel those cooler temperatures and those gusty winds coming out of the north. And that's mainly what we're going to see. Cloud cover is going to start to move on out for your Monday afternoon. Temperatures mainly going to stay all around into those mid to upper 40s by the afternoon hours, and then just continuing to drop as we head towards your Monday night and continuing on and towards your Tuesday morning, where we're tracking very cold temperatures getting slightly below 32 degrees. But now as we look ahead towards our wind chill, this is our feels like temperatures as we head in towards the next couple of days. So as we go into tonight, here's our cold front starting to approach right around 2 a.m. for your Monday morning. It's going to be coming close to around the city of Mobile right around 4 a.m. It's going to push on through and get all the way through for portions of northwest Florida just after 6 a.m. Excuse me. Then we're going to have those very cold gusty winds. So this is our feels like temperatures right around lunchtime, mainly all around into those lower 40s and even upper 30s. Continuing to go in towards our Monday night, it's just going to get colder and colder. So even as the time we wake up for your Tuesday morning, already having those freezing temperatures in the morning hours, and now adding on these gusty winds to wake up for your Tuesday as well, our feels like temperatures are going to be into the teens for our inland county and the lower 20s closer towards the coast. So please definitely dress warm as we go in towards our Tuesday. So our current air temperatures as we wake up for your Tuesday morning, mainly going to be forecasting those upper 20s and lower 30s. But then it's Wednesday morning. That's where we're going to be tracking our coldest morning for this stretch of our cold snap. Mainly it's just seeing a lot of those mid to upper 20s for your Wednesday. We're going to warm up into the afternoon hours and warm up fairly quickly, especially after New Year's. So our high on New Year's Eve is going to be 54. And then as we go in towards 2026, our high on New Year's Day will be a high of 60 degrees. And even as we look at your 7-day forecast, that's what we're going to be seeing. We're going to rebound from this little stretch of cold weather fairly quickly as we head towards our new year, and even as we head towards next weekend with those temperatures getting back into those upper 60s as we head closer and closer towards next weekend. Well, we'll be right back after this quick break.